I was born as a fetus, grew up like Cletus. People keep on talking about they see this. Every time you hungry trying to get something off of the street, people telling you need to kneel back at their feet. They don't understand how it feels to be the other man, sitting out there putting out your hand. They don't really wanna help you, but they can talking about they know how you feel. But they trying to sell you, trying to put you on the TV station just to get higher ratings. What they saying? But I keep fighting for my right. Saw a baby dump in the dumpster last night, but I couldn't save the life, man. Young dude dead, tied hands. I couldn't save my own, but I fight when people see me here alone, and and I keep fighting. And I say, and the words that I speak, and I don't mean anything. And people keep on talking, eating they chicken wings, and they curse at me, slur words at me, spit when I pass by, throw shoes at me. But I keep walking, hold my head up. There's nothing else I could do but sit here and shape up, cause everybody knows at the end of the road, it's only me that gon' save me from the end of the toe. And these people keep on talking about they home alone, but they no parents coming soon. But me, I got nothing. I'm sitting at the corner thinking about the people I see on the other side smoking marijuana, and I wanna, but something keep on telling me what happens when you grow up and have a family of your own. Do you want them to see, tell the stories how you used to be, and hope they don't get just like you? But I don't wanna know it, so every time I see it I cry, and I say that and I try better. And I keep on saying that. And it was like 2 years ago, I lost my eyes, and these people keep on seeing this blood and me cry, but they left me alone laying on the corner, and nobody cared about me or my daughter. I closed at my pen, and these people keep on staring till the end. My last heartbeat failed, and then I dropped to the floor, and I was not here on earth no more. But they keep on saying that once you do bad, you keep going, you will never find home. But that's wrong, cause I was laying here since the morning, and I wasn't always cold, I used to be good. And they be telling when you grow up saying in the hood, but I don't like that stuff. I try to do better, but all crackheads think that they more clever than the cops. When they pass, they blast looking out, but I always cry when I see them looking out. And I say, and I say, snowing, and I saw wind blowing. I saw a lot of people were slurring when they keep talking, cuss words coming out their mouth when they walking, and nobody was talking. Everything that they said sound like gibberish to me, and people keep on throwing their pennies at me. I'm not a beggar, I'm just somebody like you. I'm kinda clever, give me a chance to show you how I could add 1 and 1 make 2, and I could do the same things that you do. I could be like you, but you don't really mind. You just see the sunshine and you put your head up and you start lying. You tell me that I need to try to get my own, but I already know I was born here all alone, so I try, but you never hear.